Hello and welcome to WinShape Retreat. I'm Andrew Lowry and today we will be showing you how to install a knob on the bed. As you can see, we already have these on right here. But if you step back here, we'll be installing the ones on the back. Well, first, you start with the pin. You take the pin and you place it in the hole. Make sure it's in there good. Then onto the knob. You'll notice on the knob that there's an additional pin. You just want to make sure you line that pin up with the additional hole right here. So we're going to go ahead and stick that on. Sometimes they're a little tough to go on, so you might just want to get a little tap-a-roo. So, we're good to go. Have a great day.